It's a lovely July morning here right before the sun comes up, and we're out with the stock Ultrix. And I've been trying different camera positions, and this time I put the Thumb Pro underneath the Ultrix to see how good a shots I can get with this. I've been flying around low to the ground, and really, just for the fun, it's kind of a fun thing to find gaps to fly through and stuff. So we're gonna fly through some gaps, stay low to the ground, and see how good the Thumb Cam or the Run Cam Thumb Pro does underneath the front here. So let's go. So that's working pretty good. That's about it for this video here. We're going to be doing a lot more obstacle flying with the Ultrix this summer. So please like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and like, it helps me out. And thanks for watching.